You are going to love the 2024 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, push-button start, cruise control, power outlet, Bose sound system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.